So when the legal processes is being used against me as a political demolition job, then I will have no choice but to defend myself. And I will defend myself fully. I will not allow myself to be turned into the scapegoat so that others who are actually accountable can walk away clean.
Martin Romualdez attempts to make us believe that his participation in this anomalous budget where there are hundreds of billions in unprogrammed funds that were used for ghost flood control projects and substandard projects was limited to his being a speaker. He was not even in the small committee. And then, dinidiin niya si Chis Escudero. Sinasabi niya, si Chis Escudero ang may kagagawan nun, si Saldico. Wala nga ako dun. But let us not forget, that was a very powerful speaker. Ang scope of power ni Martin Romualdez ay hindi lamang sa district niya, kundi sa buong House of Representatives na kahit nasabihin mo chair pa yan ng mga iba't ibang committee are still under his supervision and control. Sinasabi niya na, eto lang yung participation ko. But Martin, as a good lawyer and probably practiced criminal law, should know that the charge of the ombudsman here is conspiracy. And in conspiracy, the act of one is the act of all. And Saldico is saying that he was instructed by Martin to do this and do it this way.
Tinawagan ako ni dating Speaker Martin Romualdez at sinabihan, stay out of the country. You will be well taken care of as instructed by the President.
Not only to achieve this goal, but how to go about it. In fact, was so smart that he did not even appear in the small committee, which is normal. I mean, usually the speaker doesn't really go to the small committee. That's why, dinidiin niya na si Chis Escudero lang at si Saldico ang gumawa niyan. But, don't forget, mga kababayan ko, na conspiracy ito. The act of one is the act of all. At ang simula ng conspiracy na ito ay hindi naman dun lang sa pag-implement na ng DPWH kung saan nag-rig na sila ng mga bidding-bidding nila, kung hindi sa paggawa mismo ng budget niya yan sa Committee on Appropriations under the supervision and control of Martin Romualdez at by Saldico. Pinili niya yan si Saldico. Pinili niya yan for his own reasons dahil loyal niya lieutenant at marunong mambraso sa mga congressman at sa DPWH dahil dating ang kontraktor si Saldico. Marunong na siya dyan sa mga kickbackan na yan bago pa siya naging congressman.